Hi, in this tutorial I would like to show you how to reset Audacity settings to default. So there is one really simple method that I recommend you to know. First, we need to close Audacity software, so I click here to close this window. And now we need to click right mouse button on start icon. After that, we need to go to run, and on open field we need to type here this one command. You can find it in description of this video. After that, we need to click OK button. Now we need to find here Audacity folder, so I click double time on it, and here we can find Audacity configuration file. We need to delete this file, so I click right mouse button here and I click delete button. After that, configuration data will be successfully deleted. So now we can open Audacity with default settings, and how you see Audacity has been successfully opened with default settings. So it's all for today. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it's a software problem.